Hey beauties, welcome back to another Spruce News video. So today I'm going to be creating this rosy pink eyeshadow look for you today. Something you could wear every day, to a wedding, to a party, in the evening, whenever you fancy it really. And also I think anyone can really wear this look, and that's important to me. I want to try and create looks that are suitable for everyone. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this look right here. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first shade that I'm going to dip into is Burnt Orange, and I'm literally just going to use the brush that comes with the palette just to base my eye. I've already prepped it, so I prime my eye with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I think that works really well with these shadows. It really helps the shadow to kind of stay on the eye, so I do really like that. Now that's done, I'm going to take the shade Sienna and I'm going to just take that into my crease. The weather at the moment is so bad and my skin is feeling so dry. Not good. So now that's done, I'm going to take my RCMA palette and I'm going to just cut my crease. The reason that I'm doing this is that I found that cutting my crease and applying any shimmery shade works a lot better than adding Fix Plus. And I don't think that the ABH palette is quite ready for Fix Plus. I feel like it takes out too much product, but doing it this way really does work. I am determined to use every shade in the Soft Glam palette just to test them all out, because I know I have my favourites already, but I do want to see what other looks I can create that may not necessarily, you know, be a look that I would wear, but it might be a look that you would wear. So I am determined to do that. So now I've cut my crease, I'm going to dip back into the Soft Glam palette into Rose Pink, which is this really beautiful like shimmer shade, and I'm just going to pat that all over the concealer. Don't swipe it, pat it. You'll probably get more off the brush that way, and it just looks a bit more intense than you would if you just went like that. So now that I've added the rose pink, I'm going to dip back in and I'm going to use the shade Mulberry, which is one of my favourite shades in this palette. It's just such a beautiful colour. And what I'm going to do with that is just go into my outer V, intensify that and slowly bring it into my crease. And then I'm just going to dip back into Rose Pink again and just go over where I've already placed that shade, just so it blends in with Mulberry. And now I'm going to do eyeliner. So I'm going to take the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and this is just a really nice, very affordable eyeliner. I'm just going to create just a light line. Finally, I'm going to dip back into Sienna and I'm going to just put that underneath my lower lashes, just to smoke them out a little bit. I realise I look so pale today. I don't feel too good today, but I look so pale. But anyway, so that's it. I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll jump back on camera and show you the finished look. So guys, this is the final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I tried to keep my eyeshadow looks really simple because I know so many people don't have the time to create, you know, really glammed up makeup looks every single day. So I hope you found this really simple and useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!